Think you know everything about cashews? Think again. They're creamy, crunchy, and a staple in your favorite dishes. But what if I told you there's more to these little nuts than meets the eye? From their unexpected journey across the globe to the heated debates over how they're produced, this video is about to shake up everything you thought you knew about cashews. We're about to dive into the surprising benefits that might make you reach for another handful, but we won't stop there. Get ready for a deep dive into the darker side of the cashew industry, where ethical dilemmas and health risks might just change your snack game. A brief history of cashews. The cashew, Anacardium occidentale, has a fascinating journey that traces back to the Brazilian Cerrado, where it originally grew wild. This evergreen tree was first cultivated by indigenous people and later introduced to tropical regions across the globe by the Portuguese. During their exploration and colonization, the Portuguese brought cashew trees to Mozambique, India, and Southeast Asia. The cashew was more than just a crop. It was used as a tool to establish land tenure and ownership in these new lands. Over the centuries, cashew cultivation expanded dramatically, with the global land area under cashew trees growing from approximately 5,262 square kilometers in 1980 to over 71,000 square kilometers by 2020. Today, cashews are a vital agricultural commodity in many tropical regions, contributing significantly to the economies of these countries. The good. Cashews are veritable powerhouses of antioxidants, compounds that combat harmful free radicals in your body. Packed with phenolic compounds like anacardic acid and cardol, as well as carotenoids and polyphenol, cashews offer robust protection against oxidative stress and inflammation. These potent antioxidants may even help lower your risk of chronic diseases. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, cashews can help lower harmful LDL cholesterol while boosting beneficial HDL cholesterol. This cholesterol balancing act contributes to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Enjoying cashews as part of a balanced diet is a delicious way to support your cardiovascular health. But there's more. The copper, magnesium, and manganese in cashews also support healthy brain function, while vitamins B6, niacin, and tryptophan help regulate mood and enhance cognitive abilities. Enjoying cashews as part of a balanced diet can contribute to optimal brain health and well-being. Beyond their antioxidant power, cashews provide essential nutrients that support eye health. These include compounds that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative damage, reducing the risk of age-related eye conditions. Enjoying cashews as part of a balanced diet can contribute to optimal vision. Despite their calorie content, cashews can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, they help you feel fuller for longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Beyond weight management, cashews may offer additional benefits, such as supporting blood sugar control, joint health, and digestive well-being. The dark side. Plain cashews are nutritional powerhouses packed with heart-healthy fats and other essential nutrients. Unfortunately, many processed cashews are sabotaged with added sugars and excessive salt. These sneaky additives can undermine the nut's natural health benefits, contributing to high blood pressure and unnecessary calorie intake. To reap the full rewards of cashews, stick to unsalted and unsweetened varieties. Cashew milk and yogurt have stormed the plant-based market, promising a creamy, delicious alternative to dairy. But what's lurking beneath the surface? Many of these products are packed with added sugars, emulsifiers, and preservatives to enhance texture and extend shelf life. While these additives might make your cashew milk frothier or your yogurt creamier, they can come at a cost. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort due to these hidden ingredients. Plus, consuming excessive amounts of added sugars is never a good idea. To enjoy the benefits of cashew-based products without the potential drawbacks, opt for brands with minimal ingredient lists. Even better, consider making your own at home. It's easier than you think, and you'll have complete control over what goes into your body. While roasting enhances cashew's flavor, it also creates an unwanted byproduct, acrylamide. Acrylamide forms when certain foods are cooked at high temperatures. Although the levels of acrylamide in roasted nuts are generally low, it's essential to be aware of this potential risk. To minimize exposure, consider opting for lightly roasted cashews. While cashews offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of possible aflatoxin contamination. These harmful toxins, produced by molds, can contaminate improperly stored nuts and pose serious health risks, including liver damage and increased cancer risk. To minimize your exposure, purchase cashews from reputable sources and store them in a cool, dry place. Beyond the threat of aflatoxins, some individuals experience severe allergic reactions to cashews. While less common than peanut allergies, cashew allergies can cause a range of symptoms, from skin irritation to life-threatening anaphylaxis. If you have a known nut allergy, it's crucial to avoid cashews altogether and consult with a healthcare professional. Cashews can be a nutritious addition to a diabetic diet. Their low glycemic index means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. However, moderation is key. Consuming large quantities of any food, including cashews, can elevate blood sugar levels. To enjoy the benefits of cashews while managing diabetes, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar levels closely and adjust your medication as needed. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance on incorporating cashews into your meal plan. Cashew production comes with a significant environmental cost. To protect crops from pests and diseases, many farmers rely on harmful pesticides, which can contaminate water sources and harm wildlife. Moreover, the expansion of cashew plantations contributes to deforestation, leading to habitat loss and biodiversity decline. Choosing organic and fair trade certified cashews can help mitigate these environmental impacts. By supporting sustainable farming practices, you can enjoy your favorite nuts while protecting the planet. The cashew industry's dark secret lies in the exploitation of children. In countries like Vietnam and India, countless children are forced to endure hazardous working conditions in cashew processing plants. A 2014 survey in Vietnam revealed that over 14,000 children, many under the legal working age, were toiling in the industry. These young lives are sacrificed for profit, with children often deprived of education and healthcare. Shelling cashews is a hazardous occupation. Workers manually remove the cashew nut from its shell, exposing their hands to a caustic liquid that causes severe burns. The lack of adequate protective gear, often due to cost or inaccessibility, leads to widespread injuries. Many workers suffer permanent damage to their skin, leaving them with painful and disfiguring scars. The global demand for cashews has created a complex web of ethical challenges. Many workers in the cashew industry endure harsh working conditions, including low wages and exposure to hazardous substances. Supporting fair trade certified cashews is a powerful way to make a difference. By choosing fair trade products, you help ensure that workers receive fair wages, safe working conditions, and opportunities for community development. Cashews are packed with healthy fats, but this also makes them susceptible to rancidity. Unlike many other nuts, cashews lack a protective shell, leaving them vulnerable to spoilage. To maintain their delicious taste and nutritional value, proper storage is essential. Keep your cashews fresh by storing them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. This helps to slow down the oxidation process that causes rancidity. In addition to the challenges faced during production, cashews can also be contaminated with harmful chemicals during storage, processing, and packaging. Plasticizers such as BPA, bisphenol F, bisphenol S, and phthalates are often found in food packaging materials. These chemicals can leach into cashews through direct contact or environmental contamination, posing serious health risks. To minimize exposure, choose cashews that are packaged in safer materials and sourced from reputable suppliers. Cashews, with their creamy texture and rich flavor, offer a wealth of health benefits, from supporting heart and brain health to protecting your eyes. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides, from additives and pesticides to the ethical implications of cashew production. By making informed choices, opting for unsalted, unsweetened varieties, and supporting organic and fair trade options, you can enjoy the benefits of cashews while minimizing the risks. As always, moderation is key to a balanced, healthy diet. Stay informed, stay healthy, and enjoy the journey of discovering the best that nature has to offer.